Top 20 modern coffee tables. Brief comments. 1. West Elm Industrial Storage Pop-Up Coffee Table. Combines sleek industrial design with practical hidden storage. Perfect for contemporary living spaces. 2. CB2 Peekaboo Acrylic Coffee Table. This clear acrylic table adds a touch of modern minimalism and makes small spaces appear larger. 3. IKEA Lac Coffee Table. Simple and affordable with a minimalist design. Ideal for budget-conscious decorators. 4. Great Barrel Origami Coffee Table. Features a unique geometric base that adds an artistic flair to any modern living room. 5. Arctic Amoeba Coffee Table. Boasts a mid-century modern design with the playful, organic shape that's both stylish and functional. 6. Restoration Hardware Martens Round Concrete Coffee Table. A robust and industrial choice with a smooth concrete finish that makes a bold statement. 7. Room Board Slim Cocktail Table. Sleek and sophisticated with the slim profile. Ideal for contemporary urban spaces. 8. Wayfair Saracena Home Modern Glass Coffee Table. Combines glass and metal for a sleek, open look that fits well in modern and minimalist interiors. 9. West Elm Box Frame Coffee Table. A versatile piece with a sturdy metal frame and a variety of finishes to match any modern decor. 10. All Modern Leandra Coffee Table. Features a modern, tautone design with a mix of wood and metal for added visual interest. 11. Pottery Barn Dana Rectangular Glass Coffee Table. Offers a light and airy feel with its glass top and metal frame. Perfect for showcasing decor. 12. Blue Dot Strat Coffee Table. A bold, modern piece with the powder-coated steel frame that adds a pop of color to any room. 13. CB2 Hexagon Wood Coffee Table. Unique hexagonal shape and rich wood finish make it a standout piece in contemporary settings. 14. Bow Concept Lugo Coffee Table. Scandinavian-inspired with clean lines and functional storage options. Great for modern homes. 15. Hey Tray Coffee Table. Versatile and functional with a removable tray top. Perfect for entertaining and easy cleaning. 16. Serena Lily Balboa Coffee Table. Woven rattan design adds a natural, coastal touch to modern living rooms. 17. Etsy Live Edgewood Coffee Table. Each piece is unique with the live Edgewood top, combining rustic charm with modern design. 18. Mango Wood Coffee Table by Anthropology. A round, sculptural piece made from sustainable mango wood, adding a warm, organic touch. 19. Urban Outfitters Zane Coffee Table. Features a modern, round design with a glass top and metal base. Perfect for small spaces. 20. Zane Home Reclaimed Wood Coffee Table. Made from reclaimed wood with a distressed finish, blending modern style with eco-friendly materials. These coffee tables are chosen for their blend of modern aesthetics, functionality, and unique design elements, making them excellent additions to contemporary living spaces.